Collapsing and stacking PV pallets is a simple process. Let's first look at how to collapse your pallets. Ensure all slider handles are securely nested in place prior to collapsing the sidewalls. Next, disengage the cross braces by releasing the latch. If you have difficulty disengaging the cross brace, try pulling from the inside of the brace. Next, pull the cross brace away from the pallet 180 degrees. Then lift up on the cross brace and rotate it another 90 degrees so it nests securely into the back of the sidewall. Then simply pull the wall up until the post pockets clear the base and disengage. Gently lay the sidewall onto the base. Move the wall until it nests securely into the rail area of the base. Once in position, the wall latch will lock the wall in place. Repeat this process with the other sidewall. And now your PV pallet is fully collapsed. Next, let's look at how easy it is to stack collapsed PV pallets. Using a forklift, simply move a collapsed pallet onto another collapsed pallet. If there is any slight misalignment, nudge the top pallet until it drops securely into its nesting position. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for using PVpallet.